Bitcoin dips to $60,000 as the cryptocurrency heads for losing month. Recently, Bitcoin dropped to $60,000, indicating a decline in its value as the cryptocurrency approaches the end of the month losing money. This drop is noteworthy because it signals a change from the earlier bullish trends that saw Bitcoin hit all-time highs. This decline could be caused by a number of things, such as changes in other financial markets, regulatory news, market sentiment, and macroeconomic trends. Why is Bitcoin currently experiencing a decline? We'll focus on a few of the most important ones today. Number 10. Market sentiment. The general mindset and emotional condition of traders and investors toward an asset at any particular moment is known as market sentiment. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is especially erratic and subject to sudden changes because of the impact of news cycles, social media, and well-known individuals. For example, regulatory signals from financial authorities or tweets or statements from well-known people like Elon Musk can influence market behavior and public opinion. Even a brief shift in sentiment can cause investors to sell off their holdings in an effort to reduce their potential losses. This might result in a vicious cycle where decreasing prices increase fear and prompt more selling. Regarding Bitcoin, recent sentiment may have been influenced by worries about possible market corrections after its previous peak. Regarding Bitcoin, recent sentiment may have been influenced by worries about regulatory changes, potential market corrections after its previous peak, or general economic uncertainties. Furthermore, because a comparatively high proportion of retail investors participate in the cryptocurrency market and may react more emotionally than institutional investors, the psychological effects of this sentiment are magnified there. Number 9. Regulatory news. The market for cryptocurrencies is heavily influenced by regulatory news because of its inherent decentralized nature and the disparate legal systems in various jurisdictions. For instance, in 2021, the price of Bitcoin fell precipitously as a result of China's crackdown on cryptocurrency mining and trading. Comparably, the implementation of strict know your customer and anti-money laundering laws in different nations may discourage new investors and make things more difficult for those already involved in the market. The price of Bitcoin may have recently dropped due to regulatory rumors or announcements from large markets. Uncertainty can arise, for example, from talks about prospective U.S. laws that might impose tighter oversight on cryptocurrency exchanges or tax reporting obligations for cryptocurrency transactions. Investors may engage in preemptive sales of their holdings in anticipation of future market disruptions or regulatory restrictions, leading to price drops. Number 8. Macroeconomic trends. Macroeconomic trends refer to a broad range of economic factors that exert an influence on global financial markets. These include interest rates, inflation, economic growth, and shifts in government and central bank policy. Some investors view Bitcoin, which is frequently referred to as digital gold, as a hedge against inflation and unstable economic conditions. Therefore, the macroeconomic environment can have a big impact on its price. For example, in an environment where inflation is on the rise, investors may turn to Bitcoin to hedge against the declining value of fiat currencies. On the other hand, traditional savings and investments may become more alluring if central banks decide to raise interest rates in order to fight inflation. This could cause investors to pull out of riskier assets like furthermore, alterations in regulatory frameworks or fiscal stimulus programs can have an effect on investor sentiment and behavior. Government crackdowns, for instance, on the use of cryptocurrencies for illegal or tax evasion purposes can undermine market confidence and cause price declines. Number 7. Institutional movements. The amount of capital and market power that institutional investors are contributing to the cryptocurrency market has increased dramatically. Pension funds, asset management companies, hedge funds, and publicly traded companies are examples of institutional investors. Because they trade in such large volumes, their decisions can have a disproportionate impact on the price of Bitcoin. Large purchases of Bitcoin by institutions can be interpreted as a vote of confidence in the asset, which raises prices when other investors follow suit. On the other hand, if institutions begin liquidating their holdings, retail investors may become alarmed, which could cause prices to drop sharply. Institutions also frequently use sophisticated trading techniques such as leverage and derivatives, which can magnify market fluctuations. In response to wider market conditions or regulatory changes, institutions may reallocate their portfolios or take profits following notable price increases, which could account for some of the recent price dips. Number 6. Technical analysis. The technique of predicting future price movements using past price data and trading volumes is known as technical analysis. For prediction purposes, it uses trading signals, technical indicators, and chart patterns. Moving averages, resistance and support levels, and oscillators, such as the relative strength index, are examples of common tools. When deciding what to buy or sell, Bitcoin traders pay close attention to these technical indicators. For instance, traders may anticipate a bounce and purchase if the price of Bitcoin approaches a significant support level, which could result in a brief price increase. On the other hand, a price decline beyond a critical support level may result in automated selling and stop-loss orders. Recent drops to $60,000 may have resulted from Bitcoin breaking below important support levels, which sparked sell-offs and accelerated the decline. Even in the lack of market-moving news or fundamental shifts, the interaction of these technical elements can produce considerable short-term volatility. Number 5. Global political events. Global political events encompass a wide range of geopolitical developments that can impact financial markets, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Political instability, elections, trade disputes, and international conflicts can create uncertainty among investors and lead to risk aversion. When geopolitical tensions escalate, investors often seek safer assets such as gold or stable fiat currencies, potentially leading to sell-offs in riskier assets like Bitcoin. Moreover, decisions by governments regarding cryptocurrency regulations can also be influenced by political considerations. For example, changes in leadership or shifts in regulatory policies in major economies can introduce unpredictability into the cryptocurrency market, affecting investor sentiment and price movements. Number 4. Market manipulation. Because of the cryptocurrency market's comparatively low liquidity and dispersed regulatory oversight, market manipulation is still a major concern. Whales or large Bitcoin holders have the ability to strategically buy or sell, thereby influencing prices. Artificial price changes that don't accurately reflect supply and demand in the market may result from these actions. Market perceptions can be distorted and volatility increased by manipulative strategies like spoofing, in which traders place large orders with the intention of canceling them before execution, or wash trading, in which traders buy and sell to create the appearance of trading activity. While there are ongoing regulatory efforts to stop these practices, it's possible that some manipulation will still occur, which would increase short-term price volatility. Number 3. Technological developments and network upgrades. Upgrades to the Bitcoin network and technological developments may have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency's price and perception in the market. Enhancements to Bitcoin's functionality, security, privacy, or scalability can increase its usefulness and appeal to investors. For instance, the market anticipated favorably that the Taproot upgrade, which increases transaction efficiency and privacy, would be adopted. On the other hand, difficulties or delays in putting these upgrades into practice can raise doubts and erode investor confidence. Furthermore, Bitcoin's market position in relation to other cryptocurrencies may be impacted by technological advancements in blockchain technology, such as smart contracts and decentralized finance platforms. Number 2. Hacks and security breaches. Hacks and security lapses aimed at wallets, exchanges, or the underlying blockchain technology can have instantaneous and significant effects on the price of Bitcoin. Events in the public eye have the potential to reduce confidence in Bitcoin's dependability and security as an investment vehicle. In an attempt to limit possible losses, investors may respond to such events by panic selling, which would cause sharp price drops. Furthermore, worries about how susceptible cryptocurrency infrastructure is to cyber attacks may discourage new investors from joining the market or cause current investors to reevaluate their holdings. In order to preserve market confidence and lessen the impact of security threats, exchanges and wallet providers must implement strong security measures and proactive risk management. Number 1. Adoption rates and merchant acceptance. The rate at which consumers, companies, and merchants accept Bitcoin as payment plays a major influence in determining the dynamics of its price. Because Bitcoin is a decentralized and international payment method, its increasing adoption may result in an increase in demand for the cryptocurrency. Positive developments can boost market sentiment and spur price appreciation. Examples of these developments include major companies accepting Bitcoin for goods and services or integrating cryptocurrency payment solutions. On the other hand, adoption setbacks like legal restrictions or technical difficulties in putting Bitcoin payment solutions into practice can impede its growth trajectory and stifle investor enthusiasm. Furthermore, changes in central bank digital currencies (CBDCs) and the possibility of them competing with cryptocurrencies for widespread use may affect investor sentiment and market perceptions of Bitcoin. In conclusion, each of these factors can significantly influence investor behavior and consequently Bitcoin's price, highlighting the multifaceted nature of the cryptocurrency market. If you liked our video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.